Namaste Vidya, Sudha Kushlo Vidya, myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Dragoon, Faculty of Railway, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's Institute, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Vidhitak and Amrit. These both are very important herbs in Ayurveda. Firstly, we discuss about Vidhitaki. The botanical name of Vidhitaki is Terminalia valerica. You should learn botanical name in family also. Then botanical name is Terminalia valerica and family is Congregaceae family. Arikikul. Gण Charak mentions Vivitak in Joragna and Virechanopan Mahakashaya. Charak mentions Vivitak in uh, Joragna and Virechanopan Mahakashaya. Shushruth mentions Vivitak in Tripla and Mustadi. Shushruth mentioned in Tripla and Mustadi. Hindi name of Vivitak is Bahira. Bahira. कुछ भी कहते हैं Bahira Bahira. ठीक है. Let's see the synonyms and its meaning. Firstly, we discuss about Vivitak, that which removes the fear of diseases on using internally. That is called Vivitak. Aksha. The seeds are used for playing gambling game as dice. That is called Aksha. Karshfal. The weight of the fruit is 1 Karsh, 20 grams. Kali Drum, regarded as above the of Kali and is used as dice. Bhutvasa, said to be house of devils. Kali Yugale, used as dice in Kali Yuga. Kali Yugale. Tush, elevates disease condition and maintaining health. Elevates, elevates diseased condition and maintaining health. Kasagna mainly act as uh, Antony acts and cup chedan and elevates kasha. Tile fal, the seeds kernel is oily. Basant, flower is vasant to spring. Sarvatak elevates all disorders. Vindhyajat grows mostly in Vindhya region. Vibhedak removes diseases and maintains health. It is called Vibhedak. Bahuvariant, it has broad actions. So it is called Bahuvariant. Bahedak, commonly known as Bahedak. Main features: the tree is mostly grown in Vindhya region, flowers during Basant Ritu or during spring season. Each fruit weighs about a karsh, which is equal to 20 grams. The seed are oily and it is particularly useful in cough diseases. Habit: Utpatti Sthan, a common forest tree found in the plains and the lower hills throughout the India. Flowers April, June and the fruits ripens during the cold season. Uzbekistan, a common forest tree found in plains and lower hills throughout the India. Flowers April, June and fruit ripens during the cold season. Habit: Swarup, a large deciduous tree with the thick dark grey bark, leaves 3 to 8 inches long, alternate crowded towards the end of the branchlets, and broadly elliptic or ovate, subaquate or acuminate, often unequal at the base, coriaceous, glabrous, when matured, papillose on upper surface, pale banner, petioles long, rarely glandular at the apex, spikes 3 to 6 inches long, axillary or from the axils of fallen leaves, slender interrupted brackets linear, podaceous, flowers about half inches across, the males usually upper part of spike, sessile, greenish, yellow, pointed, calyx teeth, triangular, woody inside, stamens much exerted, droop, globulous or ovoid, grey tomatoes, obscurely angled when dried. उपयुक्त अंग what use फल ring of the fruit and the properties of Vaheda. Firstly, discuss about Ras. Ras is Kashai, Virya is Ushna, Gun is Ruksh and Lagu, and Vipak is Madhur, Dosh Kamta Dosha, Rogam Karmta, pharmacological actions, that is Bhedan, Kasagna, Netrahit, Keshian, Karmigna, Bal Roghar, Chhardi Nigrah, Med वेदकारक वाजीकरण and वातज्ञ and स्वर्य वेदना स्थापन शोध रक्त स्तंभक दीपन पाचन अनुलोमन ज्वरग्न धातुवर्धक and कुष्ठग्न. These all are the pharmacological properties. You should remember all of these. Amrik प्रयोग therapeutic uses. Vivetak is useful in all type of kas and swans. In Atisar, burnt fruit of Vivetak mixed with lavan is useful. In all type of shoth, Vivetak churn late helps to allay daha and shoot. Paste of Vivitki given with rice water in cases of shoth. In Switra or vitiligo, ash of black snack mixed with Vivitki oil and applied locally. It is useful in all type of vitiligo. Vivitki seed kernel mixed with honey used as anjan to remove corneal opacity. Til tel, Vivitak tel, Brangra Swaras, and uh, Asan Kwat are cooked in iron vessels. This is used as Nashir to improve eyesight. In Granthi, the visar, a hot paste is prepared with bark of Vivitki and applied locally. Matra dose Puran 3 to 6 grams. औषधि of formulation त्रिफला चूर्ण त्रिफला दी तेल लवंगा दी बटी विविध की तेल पल्त्रिका दी क्वाथ तालिशा दी चूर्ण all are the औषधियों or formulations of विविध की chemical constituents gallic acid tannic acid glycosides then classical reference of Bhaprakash Nigattu Bhaprakash says that विविधकस्त त्रिलंगे शाद अक्षय खर्च फलस्तु सैब कलिदुर्मो भूतवासस्त तथा कलियुगाल्य विभीतकं स्वादुपाकं कषायं कफपित्तनुत उष्णवीर्यहिमस्पर्शभेदनं काशनाशनं रूक्षं लेखितं केश्य कृमिवैश्वर्यनाशनं विभीतकं मज्जात्रट कफ व लघु कषायो मदकृत अथ धात्री मज्जा अपि तद्गुणम्. This is the Baheda, and now we discuss about Amalki. Amalki, botanical name Amblica officinalis, synonym Phylacus amblica, and family is Euphorbiaceae. Arandipul, गण चरक व्ययस्थापन और विरेचनोपन. चरक mentioned Amalki in व्ययस्थापन महाकषाय and विरेचनोपन महाकषाय. Shushrup mentioned Tripla. Uh, so Amalki Charak mentions where Sthapan Mahakasha and Rechnupat Mahakasha. Shushrup mentions Amalki in Tripla and Purushkari Gand. हिंदी में हम इसे आंवला के नाम से जानते हैं. Then let's see the पर्याय or synonyms of Amalki and its meaning. Firstly, Vayastha, that which improves longevity. That which improves longevity, that is called Vayastha. Amalki, having amras in predominance, or that which removes all the mal from the body, that which is specific in all doshas. Vrashya, that which improves virility or vitality. Jati pal rasa, that fruit juices is useful like the jali pal or jati pal. Shivam, auspicious and beneficial always like Lord Shiva. Dhatri Phala promotes dhatus in the body or protects from all diseases like a mother. It is called Dhatri Phala. Shri Phala, the fruits when completely ripe looks beautiful. It is called Shri Phala. Amrit Phal, the best fruit like Amrit or good Rasayan Dravya. Shishya Phala, the fruits appear in uh, Pushyamans. Pushyamans, the food season is considered as auspicious season. Amala purifies the body, removing the mala, that is called amala. Vayastha maintains youthfulness in the person. Vratpala, the fruits are rounded in shape. Kolam, the weight of each of well-ripened fruit is about 1 pole, which is equal to the about 5 grams. Porangaka, obtained from Porangdesh. शीतफलम, it is शीतवीर्य द्रव्य षड्रसा. Total Nigantu mentioned the Amlaki as Shadras. Men features a moderate sized tree bearing rounded fruits which are beautiful at look at when ripened. It has Sheetvirya and a well-known drug having Rasayan action. Habitat Pakistan abundant in forest tracts of tropical and subtropical of India, chiefly in the dry deciduous forest, ascending to uh, for 4,500 feet. Habit Swarup, a moderate-sized deciduous tree with usually a crooked trunk, bark light grey or greenish, peeling off a small irregular patches, red inside, branches spreading, branchlets glabrous or finally pubescent, often deciduous, leaves small, subsessile, dichotously arranged along the branchlets and thus simulating the leaflets of a pinnate leaf 3 by 8 to 1 by 2 inches long. narrowly linear, obtuse, pale green, glabrous, or pupilless rennet. Stipules minate, ovate, finally acuate, flowers greenish yellow, arranged in axillary fascicles on the leaf-bearing branchlets or on the neck portion below the leaves, bracts, pimpernate, male flowers, many short-leaf pedicels, sepal 6, oblong, obtuse, 1 by 20 inch long, disc none, anthers 3, erect on a short column, slits vertical, female frog few, subsessile, sepals as in male, disc tubular, lacertate, ovary 3-celled, styles connate at the base, twice often 2 feet and with acute lobe, fruit fleshy, globose, pale yellow and often tinged with pink when ripe, about half inches in diameter. Overstolly 6 lobe breaking up when dried to 3 to seeded crustaceous foci seed 6 trigonous. उपयुक्त अंग part used फल rind of the fruit, description of part and the properties of the आमल की फसली रस अम्ल प्रधान लवण वर्जित दृढ़ रस आम्ल कषाय मधुर तिक्तट कटु गुण रोक्षण लघु वीर्य शीत विपाक मधु दोष कर्मता से दोष शमन रोगक कर्मता फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शंस रक्त पित्तहर प्रमेहग्न वृश्य रसायनी मृदुविरेचक मूत्र यकृत उत्तेजक दीपन स्तंभन दाह प्रशमन चक्षुष्य मेद्य अवलोकन हृदय and गर्भस्थापन. This is the pharmacological actions of Amalki Amli therapeutic uses. It is the best rasayan dravya for the best effect of rasayan action. Charak has described a method of preparation. The fresh uh, dried amalki has to be powdered and bhavana should be given with the juice of fresh amalki fruit. This procedure should be repeated for 21 times. Every time after bhavana, the preparation should be dried and repeated. This churn in this doses of 3 to 6 grams should be given with gobhat and madhu. A matured amalki fruit should be plucked from the tree and incision should be made on the fruit. An exudate comes out the should be directly dropped in the eyes. This elevates Akshi shows conjunctivitis and infectious condition of eye. The fruit powder is kept in water overnight and the decanted water is useful in washing the eyes. In the same way, the beech was also useful in Pandu, Kamla, Amalki, Churan and Lobhasi is useful. In Pramene, Amalki and Haridra should be given. In Khalikte, a paste prepared with Amalki, Japa Kushum and Mandoor is applied on the hairs before taking bath. A remove young prickle of the paste Apaco municipal is kept in Gomutra pounded with Aja Dukta and applied on the face. In Vatrak Quat of Amalki and Hridra given in with Madhu. Rakt with Amalki churn mixed with Madhu and Sharka is given. In Hikka, Swa- Swaras of Amalki and Kapit mixed with Pipali churn and given. In Amlpit powder of Amalki, Shatavari and Shakra are given in equal quantity, mixed with equal quantity of Madhu and given with Sheer and Grath. This preparation is also useful as Vyastha, Chakchushya and Brishya. The preparation is known as Chatusam. In Mukrog, the leaf cloth used for Gandush. In Mutra Rog, Amal ki leaf should be applied on Basti Pradesh. Matra doses fresh juice 10 to 20 ml, Churan 3 to 6 gram. औषधि of formulations Chonpras, Amal ki Rasayan, Dhatri Log, Natriadi Grath, Tripla Churan, and Brahmasan. Chemical constituents are ascorbic acid and galantamines. Mahaprakash Nigantu mentions that Vestha, Amalki, Vrishya, Jati Palva Sivam, Dhatri Palam, Shri Palam, Tata, Amrit Palam, Vismantam, Vrishu, Amalki Akshatam, Dhatri, Tishya Pala Amrata, Haripki Samam, Dhatri Palam, Tindu Vishesha, रक्तपित्त प्रमेयग्रम परमपरस्य रसायनम अंतिवातम तदमृतवात् पित्तम माधुर्य शैत्यत कफम वृक्षम कषायत्वात् फलम धात्रिष्टदोषयेत् यस्य यस्य फलेस्य वीर्य भवति यादत् यावदशम तस्य तस्य वीर्येण मज्जानमति निर्देशेत्. This is Mahaprakash Nikantu reference. So this is all about Vivetak and Amliki. I hope this session, this session powered by Digital 2.0 Dito Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have inquiry, Please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon.